Okay guys, nag-shopping tayo dito sa Don Quijote. Tax free tayo kasi umabot ng 5,500 yung ating pinagbibili dito. Show nyo lang yung passport nyo, so makaka-tax free kayo ng 10%. Oh my God! I wish you so much. Yeah, this is cheap. Like 59 pesos, 147 pesos yung itong brownies. Big camera, tax free. Saan kaya tayo pwede pumasok dito? Nasa 8,000, yung 256. Sa Pilipinas, nasa 1,800 lang yung bili natin. Magkano kaya dito? Yung Osmo Pocket 3. Di talaga ako ma-shopping na tao. Yung kaligayahan ko wala sa material things, kundi sa experiences. Hello guys! Konnichiwa! Kumusta kayong lahat? This is Dave, the Kuripo Traveler. At nandito... Oops, nag-stop na. Yung stoplight, nag-stop na. At nandito tayo ngayon sa Osaka, Japan. It's our last day. Since last day natin, mag-shopping tayo, guys. Shopping as if ang daming bibilhin. Nasa Dotonbori area tayo. This is a nice area daw for shopping. So, ang lapit lang ng hotel natin, like nasa likod lang siya. Ganon. Like mga 1 minute to walk from here, yung hotel natin. Kung magta-travel kayo in the Philippines, in Japan, anywhere else in the world, you can book your activities, tours, travel items on Klook. I just may promo code DAVEGINO-KLOOK para maka-discount kayo. Kung magbubook naman kayo ng hotel sa Agoda, yung hotel natin, as in nandyan lang talaga siya, as in dyan, you can use my code DAVEAGODA para maka-discount kayo. I love staying in hotels na very accessible sa metro station, sa touristy area like Dotonbori. May Don Quijote doon. Pupuntan din natin yan. Don Quijote. Charing. Lakad. Nandito din tayo kagabi. Most of the time, nandito tayo sa Dotonbori. Google Maps lang yung ano natin. Yung best friend natin dito. Then we will turn right. Ito yung name nung camera store. Big Camera, Namba Store. Kasi I'm planning to buy SD card kasi mag-US tayo bukas. Tapos kailangan ko ng SD card for this camera kasi paubos na yung memory. Yan, this is the famous Dotonbori. Makulay ito sa gabi. I love Japan so much. Just Osaka at 11/11. Wish guys. April 11/11. Ay, 11/12. Ano ba yan? Kakachika ko, di ako nakapag-wish. Naniniwala ba kayo sa 11/11? Because ako, mas namomotivate ako to do things kapag may wini-wish ako. Helpful yung mga 11/11 ganyan. To achieve our dreams. Ito, big camera. Tax free. Saan kaya tayo pwede pumasok dito? Ba't mga bike? Kala ko camera. May tinda silang mga bike. Ito yung bungad. Expectation ko yung bubungad sa atin, camera eh. Let's go. Para siyang CDR King. Alam nyo guys yung CDR King? Yung parang electronics. Electronics yung paninda talaga na highlight. Pero lahat meron sila. May bisikleta, just like this. Samot-sari. Share ko lang, yung iPhone 11 Pro dito, nasa 100, yung 1 TB ha, 1 terabyte. 111,126.86 pesos according to the current conversion. Okay? 100k plus. Dito sa big camera. Laki pala nitong big camera. Third floor daw yung mga SD card. Tara. May second floor. Dito yung mga TV and some pampasalubong na food. Ang sosyal at ang mahal. Kaya may mga wine dito, guys. Akala ko talaga siya camera store lang. Pero ang dami. Ang dami dito sa big camera. Sa third floor talaga. Sa third floor, may mga din, may mga pagkain. Cosmetics. Ito, mga toiletries. Mga toiletry nandito. Ito mga kakaibang KitKat. Only in Japan na KitKat. Ito yung mga pagkain sa third floor. Pero syempre hindi pagkain yung habol natin dito, kundi SD card. $398. Ito na yung mga totoong camera. Ito na yung mga camera accessories, mga tripod. So, nasa ng SD card? Ring light. Excuse me. Where is your SD card? Memory card. For a camera like this. For a camera like Osmo Pocket 3. Hindi ko to angle, guys. No? Hindi ko siya angle. Oh. Oh, yeah. Yeah, this is my camera. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Oh, ito yung camera ko. Magkano kaya dito? Yung Osmo Pocket 3. Wait lang. Search natin. 99,880 yen. Ito pala. Kapag tax-free na siya, 90,800 yen. So, nasa 36,160.56 pesos. But out of stock. Kano kayo dito yung mga SD card? Sis, ang mahal ng SD card. Wait lang, pili ko sisipagan ko na lang mag-delete ng videos. Pero ang mahal, 20,900. Ito, nasa 8,000, yung 256. Sa Pilipinas, nasa 1,800 lang yung bilhin natin. Ang mahal niya for me. So, I think hard pass. At least kita natin yung presyuhan dito. Wild. Kinalibutan ako sa mahal. May kuripot heart. Kita nyo naman, ang mahal. So, sisipagan ko na lang mag-delete ng mga pictures and video. Kasi wala akong time na mag-edit talaga. I mean, konti lang na-edit ko from New York pa lang. Tapos ang dami nating trip, so nagpatong-patong na. So bumibili ako every time ng SD card. Ayun, di ba ang gastos? Ay, tara, punta tayo sa next stop natin. Oops. Ito sarap natin ABC Mart. For the shoes. Dito lang siya sa Dotonbori area. Next stop natin, guys, Patagonia. 17-minute walk from here. Ano siya, bibili tayo ng t-shirt. Kasi si Kuya Derek, my favorite kuya from Tacloban. Ayan, na-minute natin nung first night natin dito sa Japan, sa Tokyo pa yon. Hindi daw tama yung size na nabili niya for his father. So, bibili tayo ngayon nitong Patagonia na t-shirt. Tara, first time natin lalakarin yung area na to. Kasi lagi tayo nandun sa likod, kung nasaan yung may Glicoman. May mga shops dito na cash only. Cash basis lang. Di carry ng card. Ito pa. Guys, ang daming shopping options talaga dito sa Dotonbori, as in. Na-disorient ang beshi mo. Sa likod natin yung may Glicoman. May mga mas murang KitKat naman. Nasa 298 versus yung kanina sa Bic camera. Magkano ba yung 298? 118 pesos. Okay? 118 pesos. Halos every vlog, meron tayong may appearance. Itong kababayan natin from Leyte. The Glicoman. Ang aesthetic naman. Aesthetic naman dito. Ako guys, di talaga ako ma-shopping na tao. Yung kaligayahan ko wala sa material things, kundi sa experiences. Namimili ako ng pasalubong, pero for my closest friends and family. Ganun tayo as a traveler. I don't really buy clothes. Kung mapapansin nyo, yung damit ko, paulit-ulit na lang. Diba? Sa mga travels natin. Pero sana dumating yung point na yumaman tayo to buy stuff, charing, to finally buy clothes from time to time. Pero kung hindi naman kailangan, pero kung hindi siya need for me ha, kaya hindi ako masyadong nagbibili ng damit or sapatos. ABC Mart again. Kaya sa mga ganitong area, hindi ako masyado pumapasok. Like, nandito lang ako for the vibe ng crowd, with a view of the shops. Pero yung papasok ako, tapos bibili. Hindi. It's not me. Chat yung friend ko. Okay. Nilike lang pala yung message ko. Last kong bili ng sapatos, Taiwan. Taiwan 2023. Oh my gosh, yeah. Last kong bili ng sapatos, Taiwan. Taiwan 2023. I was there with my friends. Tapos, actually, itong damit ko, okay to. Denim jacket na to. Nasa 400 pesos to sa Korea. Sa Dongmyo Flea Market doon. Tara. May Pokemon. Para sa mga fans ng Pokemon. Gosh, umulan. At ang haba pala nitong Shinsaibashi. So itong kahabaan ng lakad natin, it's called Shinsaibashi. Ano ba yan? Di pa tayo nakapagdala ng payong. Stop muna tayo dito at bumili ng Japanese pancakes. May palaman siya. Nasa 200 plus yung small. Ito siya guys. 200 plus pesos. Sarap. Creamy sa loob. Laban. Tara. Lapit na. Lapit na lang guys. Ito na. Nandun yung nilakaran natin kanina na street. Tapos, ito na siya. Let's go. 11 siya nagbubukas. Ito yung pinapabili ni Kuya Derek, guys. Tinatanong pa natin dito kung available.
Which size are you looking for?
Medium. I hope there is. Wala silang stock ng pinapabili ni Kuya Derek. Ano na? Surprise, guys. Medyo napadpad tayo sa Umeda. Meron daw sa branch dito sa Umeda, yung Patagonia Osaka Umeda. May available. So, nireserve na sa atin. Pero mamaya babalik tayong Dotonbori. Side trip lang ito, okay? Mga 20 minutes away to from Dotonbori. Kasi pupunta pa tayong Don Quixote. Yung Umeda, ayun, dahil mahal natin si Kuya Derek, bibili natin yon. Iba din vibe dito sa Umeda, no? Parang social. Anyway, kita ko na yung Patagonia. Let's go. So ito parang mga sportswear. Tama, mukhang mga sportswear to. Mountains, pang ocean. Tara, close ko na dito Umuulan, inulan tayo nakakaloka. Pero interesting, wala ditong sa Patagonia. Wala silang shopping bag for this. So, nilagay ko lang sa bag ko. Sorry, Kuya Derek. Yung mga meto nila dito, pwede rin kayo mag-shopping Alam niyo yun, mga last minute shopping. We're back in Dotonbori. Nilakad dati papuntang Don Quixote. Ay, makita kayo natin si Diana. So, kasyat ko ngayon si Diana. Dito ulit tayo sa Dotonbori. Okay. Suemoncho. Tapos may, dito? Don Quixote. I will not take a video. Oh my gosh. October, November, December, January, February, March, April. Oh my God. I miss you so much. Oh my God. How are you? My Mexican BFF. Wait, this is so surreal. We meet again. So you're from Kyoto.
Yes.
Where are your bags?
I just came from Kyoto for you.
My gosh. We're that close. Oh my gosh, my subscribers have been looking for you. They like you so much, your energy, because we vibe a lot, right? Yeah. Oh my God. Surreal. I need to buy souvenirs.
Okay.
And let's eat. Let's go. So where's your hotel?
My hotel right now is in Kyoto. I didn't post anything for like a lot of time.
I thought, that's why I thought it's yesterday. I greeted you happy birthday, but apparently it's not yesterday. Wait, I will buy food. Do you have a recommendation? I know you've been to Japan a lot.
No, actually it's my first time in Japan. My first time for real. I
No.
never been before.
No, you went to Japan last year.
I know, but it was one day.
It was one day only?
I just came one day.
Oh my gosh.
And it was not here. I went to from Korea to Japan, there's a city.
Yeah.
And if you
From
take
Busan.
If you take the ferry, it's like 1 hour, and the name is Temato. And actually, it's like you are already in Japan, but it's like kind of Korea.
Okay.
I don't know how to
Interesting.
explain.
Your voice is different right now.
Really?
Yeah, it sounds like you've been shouting a lot.
Oh,
You don't have voice anymore. This is the riverside. There's the river.
so you were there?
There. Yeah, there. I think these are the foods. So this vlog is for shopping vlog.
Okay.
In Don Quixote. And of course, meeting you. Because of course, Japan is popular for their mochi. Yeah, I think I'd like to buy this
need to
mochi.
buy this.
How much is this?
I don't know.
I'm not sure how much is this, but this looks delicious. I think I'll get,
Really good, right?
yeah. I think I'll just get one. 157 pesos, guys. 157, 158.
Oh,
Itong mochi.
Kit Kat of
Oh, yeah. Wait, I think I'll get 2 mochi.
cheesecake.
Cheesecake, right?
This one looks
But
good.
this looks interesting. 1,080. I'll just compute in pesos. The song, Don Quixote. So it's for 27 pesos. Philippine, not Mexican pesos. For 27 pesos. I need to find your 100.
Alright,
This looks good.
this looks really
Great thing we proceeded here. Let's try the other side. We're both solo
Yeah, I'm
travelers,
alone.
but not lonely.
I have to go back to Korea like in 2 weeks.
Oh my gosh, you have lots of money
Of
to
course.
spend in Japan.
Of course,
Ah.
I'm living as poor girl.
These are cosmetics. Ay.
So,
Wait,
okay.
I've been to Mexico
yeah.
earlier than you are. I've been there this year.
Yeah, this
So I've been to
year.
your homeland.
So what about it? Did you have a lot of fun there?
Of course, I was alone. I met Mexican friends, girls.
really?
I mean, I just met them there.
Oh, that was really nice.
Wait, these are cosmetics. I don't want cosmetics. So, cosmetics second floor. Did you shop already in Don Quixote? Not yet.
I didn't. You know what? The thing is that I am moving, so I don't want to have a lot of things.
Ah, right. Understand. Okay, this one is for cosmetics, nails, second floor, third floor, souvenirs. I need souvenirs. So, if they have do they have ref magnet? Did you see if they have ref magnets?
What is that? Magnets?
Yeah, in Don Quixote. Let's see. Third floor. Fourth floor, Sanrio goods,
Japanese
variety
souvenirs.
goods.
5th floor.
Fifth floor, Japanese souvenirs.
I think there's.
Sixth floor, luxury watches. Let's go. Let's go to third floor. Did you eat already?
No.
Oh my gosh, same. I just ate a few bread this morning.
I just ate a bread and an egg. But I want to eat.
Same. Oh, more food here. More food, third floor. This one, 140 pesos plus.
Good. You see?
Oh yeah,
Wow. This is so good.
pretzels.
Pretzels.
Yeah, how much is
Like
1,300
1,300 and
yen
there's
in
like,
pesos?
there's 9. I think it's worth it.
Are you gonna buy? You don't have a bag.
Me right now, no. I'm gonna buy it on the last day.
518 pesos. Philippine pesos.
Yeah, the thing is that right now I don't want to carry. So.
Yep. So mga pagkain talaga dito. Oh my gosh.
Really good.
Yeah, this is cheap. Like 59 pesos for this, like matcha chocolate. I mean matcha
There's also white
Yeah.
chocolate.
matcha chocolate. Mini chocolate matcha. I'll buy this. Thank you for recommending this one. One for my friend. For friends. Ang mura. 147 pesos yung itong brownies.
This one.
Go. Brownies. Matcha brownies. And then I think I'll take this. Strawberry. Wala pa tayong strawberry. Puro matcha to. 299. 299 yen is 119 pesos. I'm looking for ref magnets. Tiramisu chocolate. Let's go. Yeah, I got one. I got one of that.
But one of these ones.
Yeah, it looks
The
interesting.
other day I tried one of these. Like it's matcha covered. It
Matcha?
was so good.
Oh my
but
goodness,
I
no
cannot, I
matcha.
cannot find it. Maybe it's there.
You don't need many candies.
Have you ever seen these ones?
Oh no.
Like it's like some powder and then you with this one you can make it like this.
Really?
But it's candy
So
actually. It's for kids.
interesting.
I think my sister is gonna love it.
You bring that to Mexico. The Kit Kat dito, 110 pesos.
Super Mario.
Where? Where?
Here.
Super Mario. Yeah.
Oh, it's actually.
You played that when you were young?
It's 180. It's
Ah,
good.
yeah. 180.
Think so.
I'm a good friend. I'm a good friend and a good family member. Wait, these are the souvenirs. So, ref magnet for Osaka. Mount Fuji. Yeah, I want something Osaka. I think I'll just buy outside. I think this is more expensive.
This one is good.
But the candies here are
Cheap.
cheaper, right? Yeah, the ref magnet here, I can see it's more expensive. Okay, let's go. Okay, I want to explore the other floors. The Tonbori. We're on the 3rd floor, right?
In the 5th floor, it says your eyes.
Whoa, 5th floor already. So I think these are the watches, the blower, the hair care, and more ref magnets. Wait. I'll get this one. Kasi walang tayong time. 603 ref magnets. How much is 600? Oh my gosh, you're like me. You're like looking for cheap stuff. 238 pesos or 39. 450 because this is so cute. This is so cute. Dami pa guys. Ito mga shave. Let's go. I'll just take a look at the 6th floor. Or is this 4th floor? Oh. Similar things. Cosmetics. Makeup. Oh yeah, more souvenirs. So cute. Yeah, more souvenirs here. Cute. A perfume. You tried? We have suitcases here. How many are your suitcases? Do you have a lot of suitcases?
Here, just a small bag.
A small bag. The rest in Korea. Last floor. Oops. More souvenirs. And I can see wines. Oh, bags. Wines. Yeah, the jacket is nice.
So good.
I'm afraid to wash it in a washing machine though.
Yes.
Okay, I think let's go. And let's eat. Alright. Ito na. 6,227 yen. Where can I get the tax-free? Where can I get the tax-free? Here already? The tax-free will be here already?
Yes.
Okay, great. Naka-tax free tayo dito. Tingnan natin kung magkano yung total natin. Don Quixote. Don. Kakailasas yung song. 10% tax free. The minimum is 5,500 yen, right?
My favorite.
Mm.
Are so good.
Delicioso.
Delicioso.
Perfecto. I miss that. Let's just show our passport. Okay guys, nag-shopping tayo dito sa Don Quixote. So tax-free tayo kasi umabot ng 5,500 yung ating pinagbibili dito. So show nyo lang yung passport nyo, so makaka-tax-free kayo ng 10%. Yeah, where to shop? Definitely in Don Quixote. Lunch. Late lunch. I hate it. We're leaving. I'm leaving. We're separating again. So thank you for the... So almost, we're about 2 hours, right? 2 hours together.
2 hours.
But it was worth it. Thank you, Diana. Love you so much.
I love you so much.
So I'll see you in Korea again. Or in Mexico.
Or in Mexico.
Or in Japan again.
Or in
Okay?
Philippines.
And then the Philippines. Yeah, let's go to the beach.
Or any country. Like, I know Destiny is gonna bring us together again.
Right. I love you. Te amo.
Yeah, Mama.
Mahal kita. Bye-bye! Yun. So si Diana, na-meet natin siya sa Korea last year through Korea Tourism Organization. So pinagsama-sama kami mga content creator. We were Indonesia, Philippines ako, Mexico Diana, Kazakhstan, Malaysia, Vietnam. think we were 6. Yeah, we were 6. We were 6 na dinala ng KTO sa Korea to travel to 5 tourism hub cities in the country. So, yun yung best trip ko ever. Kasi, ang surreal na na-express natin siya being treated like VIPs. Ang happy na nakita ulit natin si Diana today. Here in Japan. Yun, nag-shopping tayo. Hinanap yung damit para sa daddy ni Kuya Derek. Nakita nyo yung Don Quixote. Ayun, ang daming Don Quixote around, guys. The Tonbori area, ang nice mag-shop dito ng kung ano-ano lang. Kasi daming variety. Shucks, uwian talaga tayo. Sige na, i-close ko na dito yung vlog. I'll definitely be back in Japan, for sure. So this is Dave, guys. The Kuripo Traveler. Let's live our best lives. Bye-bye! Redeem the 15% off code for Japan Tours and 8% off code for Universal Studios on my Klook Creator Shop. Just search Dave Gino's Creator Shop on Klook and redeem all those promo codes available. You can also click the link in the comments. Enjoy your trip, guys!